Okay, so in the permutations and combinations, we are going to discuss the factorials as well as the permutations. Okay, so now what is 0 factorial? 0 factorial is equals to 1, and 1 factorial is equals to 1, and 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1. Okay, that is equals to 2, and 3 factorial values. Okay, 3 into 2 into 1, that is equals to 3 to the 6 into 1 is 6 only, and 4 factorial value, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so that means 4 3 is a 12, 2 is a 24, into 1 is 24 only, and 5 factorial value. Okay, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, that means 5 4 is 23 is a 62 is a 120 into 1 is 120 only. Okay, so and 6 factorial, okay, is equals to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, this is equals to, okay, so till here 5 factorial 120, 120 into 6, 720. Okay, so like this we can write, or otherwise we can write these factorial values. Okay, so in this way also I am going to write this same 6 factorial or 5 factorial. For example, we can write the 6 factorial as 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial means again 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This full I am writing as 5 factorial again. Okay, so or we can write the same as 6 into 5 into 4 factorial also. 4 factorial also. The same thing we can also write it as 6 into 6 minus 1. That means 5 only. 5 factorial. The same thing here, 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. That 4 factorial, okay, that one in this format, 6 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2. Okay, we are subtracting 1 by 1 and factorial and factorial like this also. Okay, based on the simplification, based on the situation, based on the simplification part, we use in different formats. Okay, and what is a permutation? What we have here? So what is mean by NPR? What is mean by NPR? NPR is nothing but arrangement of n objects. Okay, arrangement of, okay, so r objects from the given n objects. Arrangement of r persons from given n persons. Okay, so NPR is nothing but arranging or arrangement of r persons. R persons. Okay, here it may be persons or objects. It may be persons or objects from given n. Okay, so n value may be, okay, so persons or objects.
Yes, sir.
Or objects. Okay, so that is NPR. How to find the NPR value? How do we find the NPR? NPR formula, NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. NPR formula, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, or otherwise we can write the same thing, okay, like this also, n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on, like this. Okay, so this is the second format. Okay, so 6 factorial we can write as 6 into 6 minus 1 factorial also.
Yes, sir.
That format if you write, the last term is n minus r plus 1 factorial. N minus r plus 1 factorial. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
once we'll take 1 or 2 examples in this. Once we'll take 1 or 2 examples for this. Okay, if we take the example, for example, I want 5p2. 5p2. We can find the 5p2 value as 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 factorial. So what is 5 factorial value? 5 into
5
4
into 4
into
into
3
3.
into 2 into 1 whole divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. That is 5 minus 2 is 3. 3
3, sir.
factorial value. 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into
1.
2 into 1. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We can cancel. 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4? 5
20,
fours
sir.
are 5 fours are 20. Okay, so this is the value of 5p2. 5p2. The same 5p2 we can also find like this. Okay, so if we apply the second formula, how to apply the second formula for finding the 5p2 value? 5p2 is equals to 5 into 4 into, okay, so 3 into 2. How many factors we are going to take here? 5p2. Once check the r value. R value is 2 means write 2 numbers in the descending order. We are
Yes, sir.
subtracting 1, 1, 1, 1 like that. Okay, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into like this. Okay, how many numbers? 2 numbers. Here r value is 2, so we take only 2 numbers. 5 into 4, that's it. 5 into 4, that's it. Okay, 5 into 4 is equals to 20. This is a little bit short form. Little bit short form. Okay, so we are going to use all these concepts, okay, for solving the problems in the next exercise. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll check the problems in the exercise 12b. This is exercise 12b. Okay. So now here evaluate 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. So how to find the value 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial? This is equal to 4 factorial value is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So and 2 factorial is 2 into 1. And one more 2 factorial also 2 into 1. Okay, so now what table we
Yes,
can
sir.
take here? 1 into 2, 1 into 2 cancel. Here 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, what is remaining? 2 into 3 is
6,
remaining.
sir.
Okay, so what is 2 into 3? 2 into 3 is 6.
6.
So this is only the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if we come to the next question here. Okay, so here, if we come to this question. Okay, so in this question, so given the meaning and value of the symbol in the following. So what does it mean? What is mean by 5p2? What is mean by 5p2? Okay, what is mean by 5p2? Arrangement
5
of
factorial
two
by 5
objects.
minus 2 factorial.
Selecting and arranging. Arrangement
sir.
of 2 objects, 2 persons. Okay, from the given 5 persons. Arrangement of number of arrangements. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So arrangement of 2 objects from 5 objects. Selecting
Yes,
and arranging here. How to find 5p2 value? Okay, that means 5p2 is equals to, already I told you. Okay, so we can find the value in 2 ways. Okay, 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 minus 2 factorial. 5 factorial
Yes, sir.
value is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole divided by 5 minus 2 is 3 factorial. Okay, that means 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so here this 3 into 2 into 1, this 3 into 2 into 1 gets cancelled. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
what we get now? 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20.
20.
5 4s are 20. Okay, now I am finding the value of 7p3. What is 7p3? Okay, so
Arrangement of
arrangement
3
of,
objects from 7 objects.
yes. Okay, that means meaning of this is arrangement of number of arrangements. Okay, of arrangement of. Okay, so how many objects? 3
3, sir.
objects. Arrangement of 3 objects from 7 objects. 7 objects. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
here, what is 7p3 value? 7 P3 value is 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 3 factorial. 7 minus 3 factorial. Okay, so that means 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into
4
3
factorial.
into 2 into 1 divided by 7 minus 3, that is 4 factorial. 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 gets cancelled. Okay. So what is remaining here?
7 into 6 into 5.
Yes, 5 6 are 30, 3 7 are 21. Means that means
21. 210.
210. 210. 210 is the required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll go to the next question here. 10P4. 10P4. What is the meaning of 10P4? Okay, so here meaning of 10P4 is arrangement of 4 objects. Arrangement of 4 objects from 10 objects. From 10 objects.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how to find the value? 10P4 is equal to, okay, so 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 4 factorial. 10 minus 4 factorial. 10 factorial is, okay, so we write in the, okay, so separate line 10 into, okay, so 9 into 8 into
8
7
into 6. 7 into 6.
Okay, so 6 and so on we can write, or otherwise already I told you little
6
bit short
factorial.
form 6 factorial. Okay, so here 10 minus 6 4 is 6 factorial.
6 factorial.
So that we can cancel this 6 factorial and 6 factorial.
Yes,
So
sir.
that we can cancel this 6 factorial and this 6 factorial. Okay, whatever it is remaining, so we'll simplify and write. Okay, how much we get here? 10 into 9 into 8 into
90
7.
into
What is total?
56.
Yes.
50, 40.
Yes. Once check the value. 7 8 is 56. Okay.
56 into 90, sir.
56 into 9 times. How much we get? Okay. So 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Okay. So that means this is equals to how much it is? 5040. Okay. So 5040 is the required solution. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here NP2 is equals to 30. Find N if. Okay. So in the next problems, we are going to find the value of N in all the problems. NP2.
Yes,
NP2. NP2 is nothing but N into. Already I told you N into N minus 1. 2 factors we take. 2 factors. N into N minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is equals to 30. This is a short form. Or otherwise, what is another way? N factorial by N minus 2 factorial. Okay. In the numerator, we write N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 factorial. And the denominator, anyhow, in fact, N minus 2 factorial. We can cancel that. Okay. One step we get extra. Either. Okay. So if you understand, you can continue with this. Or otherwise, take one step extra. Okay, what is another step? One step extra means N factorial by N minus 2 factorial is equals to 30.
Yes,
This implies N factorial, we can write it as N into N minus 1 into N minus 2 factorial divided by this N minus 2 factorial as it is, and this is equals to 30.
30.
Okay, so now here we can cancel this N minus 2 factorial
N minus
and
2
N minus
factorial, N minus 2 factorial.
Okay, so N into N minus 1 divided by 30 is as is. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
here N into N is N square minus N1 is N. Okay, take 30 to left side minus 30 and equal to 0. 30 into N square is 30 N square, 30 N square. What are the factors for 30? Okay, and by adding or subtracting, we want 1. Okay, 5 6 are 30,
One.
6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, that means here n square plus 5n minus 6n. 5n minus 6n is minus 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and minus 30 equal to 0. Take n common, then n plus 5. Okay, so minus 6 common. If you take minus 6 common, okay, n
N
plus
minus.
5. Okay, minus we took common, so both minus terms
Yes, sir.
become
Yes, sir.
positive. Okay, 6 5 is 30. Okay, and equal to 0 as it is. Okay, now if we take n plus 5 common, then n
N
minus
plus 5 is
6
equals to
equal
0
to
and minus 6 is
0.
equals
Okay,
to
that means n plus 5 equal to 0 or n minus 6
N minus
is
6
equal
is equals to
to
0.
0. Okay, that is equals to n is
Minus
equal
5.
to minus 5 or n is equal to 6.
6.
Okay, n is equal to minus 5. Negative value does not exist.
Yes, sir.
Okay, negative value does not exist. Okay, n is equals to minus 5.
6.
Okay, does not exist. Always positive. N value is always
Yes, sir.
positive. Okay, why? Because already we discussed. Okay, out of so np2, for example, n is equal to 6 means arrangement of 2 persons. Okay, from 6 persons. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
2 persons from minus 5 persons. Is it possible minus 5 persons? No. Okay, so minus 5 persons is not possible. Okay, so we arrange some objects from the given object. Always n value is greater than r value. Okay, means more than 2. N value is
Yes,
always
sir.
more than 2, not less than 2. Okay, therefore, what is n value? N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, if we go to the next question, here np4 is to n minus 1, p3 is equals to 9 is to 1. Then find n. Then find n. He is asking n value here. Okay, so np4 is to n minus 1, p3 is equals to 9 is to 1. This is a ratio. Ratio is nothing but division only. Okay, that means np4 divided by n minus 1, p3 is equals to 9 is to 1 is 9 by 1. 9 by 1. Now,
1.
np4 means NPR formula. What is NPR formula? We substitute
fact-
that formula. NPR is equals to n factorial
Factorial
divided
by
by
n minus r
r
factorial.
factorial. We substitute, okay, and we use this formula now. Okay, so
Yes,
if
sir.
we use this formula here, np4 is nothing but n factorial divided by n minus 4 factorial.
Factorial.
Okay, whole divided by again n minus 1. Okay, factorial, n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus 3 factorial. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is equals to 9 by 1. 9 by 1. Once observe
1.
carefully, n minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, n minus 4 factorial, n minus 4 factorial, we can cancel.
Cancel. Yes,
We
sir.
can cancel now. Okay, so here what is remaining? So whatever it is, we write it now.
N by n minus 1 factorial.
Okay, so n factorial divided by n minus 1 factorial is equals to 9 by 1. Okay, n factorial we can write it as n into n minus 1 factorial. Already I told you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so we can stop anywhere the factorial value. 5 factorial we written as, okay, so 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or otherwise, okay, like this. Okay, 6 factorial as 6 into 6 minus 1 factorial, we can stop there, or otherwise 6 factorial as 6 into 6 minus 1 into 6 minus 2 factorial. Okay, we can stop anywhere. Okay, so in the same way, I written n factorial as n into n minus 1 and factorial is equals to 9 or 9 by 1. Okay, so observe carefully. Okay, so the n factorial, n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 factorial, we can cancel. Okay, so what is remaining
Yes, sir.
here? N is equals to
N is
9.
equals to 9.
The required solution. This is only the
Yes, sir.
required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the n value here?
9.
9. Okay, so that is only the required solution here. Okay. Now,
So
okay,
1 minute.
if we come to the next question. So here, given that 2n p n plus 1 is to 2n minus 1 pn is equals to 56 is to 3. Okay, so here also given, okay, so 2n pn plus 1 is 2n minus 2 pn is equals to 56 is to 3. Ratio is nothing but division only. Ratio is nothing but division only. Okay, so that means 2n p n plus 1 divided by 2n minus 2 pn, okay, is equals to 56 divided by 3. Okay, so now
Yes, sir.
NPR formula, we are going to use NPR formula 2n factorial divided by 2n minus of n plus 1. 2n minus of n plus 1 means 2n minus n minus 1 factorial. Okay, whole divided by 2n minus 2 factorial whole divided by 2n minus 2 minus n factorial Okay, so is equals to 56 divided by
6 by 3.
56 divided by 3.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so now we'll go to the next step here. Okay, so we'll try to simplify this. Okay, 2n factorial I am writing as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2, and we are taking factorial here. Okay, 2n minus n is n minus 1 factorial is, okay, so given here 2n minus n minus 2 factorial we are getting in the denominator. Okay, based on that we are writing here. Okay, so 2n minus n is n, so n minus 1 factorial, n minus 1 and n minus 2 factorial.
Yes, sir.
N minus 1 factorial only I am writing as n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial, and whole divided by, okay, so in the numerator we have 2n minus 2 and factorial. Okay, whole divided by 2n minus n is n, okay, and minus 2 factorial is equals to 56 divided by 3. 56 divided by 3. Okay, once observe carefully, n minus 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial cancel, 2n minus 1 factor, 2 factorial, 2n minus 2 factorial gets cancelled. Okay, now
Yes,
write
sir.
the remaining. Now write the remaining here. Okay, so here this is 2n into 2n minus 1, 2n into 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 1 is equals to 56 divided by 3, cross multiplication. Now I am multiplying. Okay, so if you multiply in the cross, okay, so then 3 into
Yes, sir.
3 into 2n into 2n minus 1 is equals to 56 into n minus 1. Okay, here also we can cancel. Okay, so 2 1 time and 2 times 4 and 16, 2 8 times.
8.
Okay, 2 8 times 16. Okay, whatever it is remaining you can simplify now. Okay, 3n
Yes, sir.
into 2n minus 1, multiply inside. This 3n is outside, multiplying, okay, with the 2n minus 1. 3 2s are 6. n into n, n
6
square.
and square.
Okay, 6n square minus 3n into 1 is 3n. Okay, is equals to 28 into n, 28n minus 28 minus 28. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
6n square. Okay, minus 3n and minus 3n minus 28n and plus
Plus
28
20.
equal to 0. Okay, that is nothing but 6n square minus 28 minus 3 minus 31n plus 28 equal to 0. 28
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 0. Now, okay, find the factors here. 28 and 6n square. Okay, so here 28 into 6n square. Okay, for this, okay, so 7 4s are 28, 7 into 4, and this is 2 into 3, 2 into 3. So where we get 31? Okay, so what are the cases here? Okay, 7 2 is 14 and 4 3 is 12. 14 and 12. How much it is? 14 and 12. Okay, are we getting the 31? Just check like that randomly. Okay,
No,
so 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 21 and 4 2 is 8. Okay, are we getting 31? No. Okay, so here this
No,
4
sir.
also we can write as 2 into 2. 7 2 is
2 into
14. 14 2 is 28. 14 2 is
Yes, sir.
28 and 2 3
Plus
is 6. Okay, are we getting 31? No. Okay, so
No,
7
sir.
3 is 21. 21 into 2. Okay, 42. Okay, so how we are getting? So here 28 factors are 7 into 2 into 2 and 6 factors 2 into 3. Okay, so in this 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 12. Okay, so 24. Okay, this 24 and 7. 7 into 24. Okay, so we get the value equal to 28 into 6. And if we add, by adding or subtracting, we want 31. Okay, by adding 24 and 7, we get, okay, we get 31,
Yes, sir.
right? Are we getting 31?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so now this is equals to, so what we can write now? Okay, 6n square minus 24n minus
24 then 7.
7n plus 28 equal to 0, equal to 0. Okay, so now we'll simplify. Okay, so what we can take common in the remaining? What we can take common? 6n is common, right? Okay,
Yes,
we
sir.
can take 6n common. If we take 6n common, one more n minus how many times 6 in 6 table?
4.
4 times. Okay, 6 4 is 24 minus we can take 7 common. So n
Yes, sir.
minus 7 4 is 28 equal to 0. Okay, that is nothing but 6n. Okay, so n minus 4 is common. So n minus 4 into
N minus 4, 6 and minus 7.
0. Okay, either n minus 4 equal to 0 or 6n
6
minus
and minus 7 is
7
equals to
equal
0.
to 0. That is nothing but n is equal to
N is
4
equals to
or
4.
6n is equal to
6n is
7
equals to
or
7.
n is equal to
N is
7 by
equals to
6.
7 by 6.
Okay, here n is equal to 7 by 6 does not exist. N is
Yes, sir.
equal to 7 by 6. Why this is does not exist? 7 by 4, 7 by 6 persons. Not possible.
No, sir.
So does not exist. Okay. So that is nothing.
Yes, sir.
What is final answer? Therefore,
4, sir.
okay, n is equal to 4. The
4.
value of n is 4. Okay, this is only the required final answer. Okay.